if they can't get that, they might be able to get an early stage innovation company grant.
Yes, this is a fantastic opportunity for both the companies who are looking to raise capital and investors. When Mr. Turnbull initiated the legislation for crowdsource funding equity raising companies, the cousin to that legislation was early stage innovation companies. Unfortunately, a lot of people don't know about it. But a young company under 3 years of age, sometimes up to 6 years of age, that's got income of under 200,000 in the last 12 months and expenditure under $1 million in the last 12 months, that then passes one of two tests. The first test is the gateway test, which looks at what their level of research and development has been, whether they've been in the accelerating commercialization grant, whether they've been admitted to that. They
Yes.
have to earn 100 points. But if you've been doing significant amount of research and development as a percentage of your expenditure and have been admitted to accelerating commercialization, you end up with 150 points. So you're in the categories to be a early stage innovation company. So
how does it help the investors?
Well, the investors get a tax rebate off their tax bill, calculated at 20% of their investment, but there are investment sublimits. For a retail investor, the maximum investment they can make in that type of company is $50,000.
Yep.
So if they invest up to $50,000, they get a 10 grand
10%.
rebate off their tax return. But if they're a sophisticated investor, the rebate is still 20%, but the maximum amount is 200,000. So that's obviously calculated on $1 million.
Okay, so let me just interrupt there. Sorry. So if I'm a sophisticated investor, I put $1 million into a project, I would get a rebate from the ATO of 200,000.
It comes off your tax bill.
Comes
and
off my tax bill.
If you don't
Yep.
use it all that year, it carries forward until you do use it. You don't lose it. It's not,
that's
not
very
a matter
attractive.
of use it or lose it.
Understood.
It carries
so,
on.
Pete, what you're saying is research and development could be claimed in the ideas and initial research stage, then we might move into accelerating commercialization, then we might move into early stage innovation.
Yes.
And really, we owe it to our clients to understand this more so that we can help those that might qualify. From what you're saying, it has to be documented. It's a bit like applying an audit to make sure that it will stand up to the ATO scrutiny so it doesn't come back to bite you.